Hello friends, last prayers we have prepared 4 videos and already we have discussed about all the paragraphs, and so now we are going to study about that is a questions answer. Before that we will discuss about RC. RC means a reference to context. In Marathi that is a Sandarbha Spashtikaran. This question is very important for your examinations. While solving such a questions, you will get the 3 marks. And so this questions is a very important for your examination. And now we concentrate on RC, reference to context. Regarding to our lesson's name is that Gentlemen of Rio and Medio. And now here you see, here's first RC I will give. We will discuss here. Finally, I broached the subject. This line is taken from in your textbook, means in your lesson. Lesson's name is that Gentlemen of Rio and Medio. Finally, I broached the subject. Finally, I broached the subject. Already, I have quoted this line in your lesson. And on that the statement, 3 questions are set here. The first question here, who is the I? Second questions, that is who did he broach the subject to? Third questions, what was the subject? Yes, such are the 3 questions are set on this line. Before that, finally I broached the subject. Who is the speaker and who is the listener in this line? Who is the speaker? Finally I broached the subject means the speaker is that is our storyteller. Storyteller's name is John A. Sedillo. And who is a listener? Our listener is Don Anselmo. And now here we turn to the question number 1. Who is the I? Means I, the word, is mentioned in this line. This is the one. This is the I which is mentioned in this line. The word I is a refer to whom? The word I is a refer to whom? What is answer? Its answer is that yes, the word I is a refer to that our storyteller. Storyteller's name is John A. Sedillo. Now we turn to the question number 2. Who did he broach the subject to? Who did he broach the subject to? Who here? That is the Don Anselmo. Third one is that what was the subject? What was the subject? Means what was the subject here? Finally I broached the subject. Finally I broached the subject. Already here the subject is given here. One thing is that once American came to our John A. Sedillo with a complaint. What was the complaint? Already we know that children were overrunning on their property. They put the fences around that is a orchard or everything. Means they came with a complaint. Such as the complaint you can put here. What was the subject? Means subject was that. Now we turn to the question RC number 2. Now we turn to the RC number 2. What is RC? The trees in that orchard are not mine, Sinor. Yes, you see once again. The trees in that orchard are not mine, Sinor. Yes. Now here at first we will discuss about that. Who is the speaker and who is the listener? Who is the speaker? Yes, speaker is our Don Anselmo, and who is a listener? That is a John A. Sedillo and the Americans also. But particularly that is a John A. Sedillo, storyteller. Trees in that orchard are not mine, Sinor. And on that the statement, on that the quotation, there are the 3 questions. These 3 questions are set on that the line. The question A, who said these words? Question A, who said these words? Question number 2, who according to the speaker do the trees belong to? Yes, and the question number C, why did he say that the trees did not belong to him? Such a 3 questions are set on that the lines is that yes, the trees in that orchard are not mine, the Shinar. Yes, now we concentrate on the question A. Who said these words? Who said these words? What is the answer? Your answer is Don Anselmo. Don Anselmo. This line will get in second meeting between Don Anselmo and John A. Sedillo. Here, who said these words? Who said these words? That is a Don Anselmo. B. Who according to the speaker? According to the speaker, who is a, according to the speaker, who is the speaker? In this line, the speaker is Don Anselmo. Means according to Don Anselmo, who do these words belong to? Means according to the speaker, all trees were belong to that the children of Rio and Medio. Children of Rio and Medio. It is the answer of that the questions. Number C. Why did he say that the trees did not belong to him? Because already we know that yes, everything means all trees were belong to that the children of Rio and Medio. And now here, why? Everything means here the descent means he got his house also from his mother. He tilled the same land where his ancestors were tilled. It means that everything, according to him, everything was belong to that the people of that the children, people of that the Rio and Medio, particularly children of Rio and Medio. Yes, it is the answer of that the questions. Yes, the question is that why did he say that trees did not belong to him? Now we turn to the RC number 3. RC number 3, we have made a discovery. Yes, RC number 3, we have made a discovery. There are 3 questions. Which are they? Who had made the discovery? Question number 2, what was the discovery? Question number 3, how did Don Anselmo react to it? Yes, react to it. Yes, now here, before that, yes, we concentrate on the quotation or the statement. The statement is, what is the statement? We have made a discovery. Who is a speaker and who is a listener? Who is the speaker in this line? The speaker is that our storyteller. And who is the listener? That is a Don Anselmo. We will get in a first meeting between Don Anselmo and that is John A. Sedillo. Here we have made a discovery. Now we concentrate on the questions. Who had made the discovery? Who had? The answer, correct answer is the surveyor or engineer. One day what happened, before purchasing that land or buying a land or completing the document, legal procedure, he sent, means John A. Sedillo sent to that surveyor and the engineer to discover or to survey about his land. And so that's why your correct answer is that surveyor and or engineer. Question number 2. What is the question number 2? What was the discovery? What was the discovery? The discovery was about that land. His land was a double land extended across the rivers. Means his land, double land means the 16, totally the land was a 16 acre. But according to that is the Don Anselmo, he sold only 8 acres. According to him. But when he sent to that surveyor or the engineer, they found that his land was a double. Means it was a discovery. Question number, that is a C. How did Don Anselmo react to it? Where is action? There is a reaction. When they noticed that Americans or surveyor, particular surveyor and the John A. Sedillo notice about his extra land But what was the reply of Don Anselmo? It is a very important here. The reply of Don Anselmo was that he did not to take to take a more amount for that the more land. Yes, means here he was agreed upon. He stick up his earlier transaction. So here means yes, here it was a reaction of Don Anselmo. Now we turn to that is the RC number 4. What is RC number 4? I argued with him, but it was useless. I argued with him, but it was useless. There are 3 questions which is mentioned here. The question number A, who argued with him? Question B, who does him refer to? And question number 3, what was his argument? Now here you see. Before that, who is the speaker? Who is a listener? Who is the speaker in this line? The speaker is that our storyteller John A. Sedillo. Who is that is a listener? That is a Don Anselmo. The word I is a refer to whom? The word I is a refer to John A. Sedillo. The word him is a refer to whom? The word him is a refer to our Don Anselmo. And now we turn to the question's answer. Who argued with him? Who argued? John A. Sedillo argued with him. Him is Don Anselmo. Next question, who does him refer to? Already the him which is mentioned in this line, the word him, the word is a refer to whom? Yes? Your answer is that the word him is a refer to our Don Anselmo. What was his argument? What was his argument? The argument was that yes, she was ready to take. Why? One point is that yes, he sold the 8-acre land according to that, or his land was a 8-acre land according to Don Anselmo. But here, yes, he sent John A. Sedillo sent to the surveyor to survey his land, and surveyor found that his land was a double land extended across the river. And here such a information John A. Sedillo got, and such a information he gave. John A. Sedillo gave to the Don Anselmo about his extra land. Yes, but here he was not ready to take they were ready to take a extra land, or they were ready to take a extra amount of that extra land. No problem. No problem. But what about that is Don Anselmo? Don Anselmo was a man of principle. Don Anselmo was a good person, generous, and so here, yes, he was not ready to take extra amount or that the extra land. He was stick up his earlier transaction, and so here such the questions means here this it was useless means such the argument was useless according to John A. Sedillo. Afterwards, we'll see the next period about that your questions answer. Think about the text. Think about the text. We'll see the next period. Thank you.